In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your email on Roblox. So first of all, make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now, as an example, once you go to roblox.com, you'll have to log in as we said. You can do that also on mobile if you want to. So now if you haven't added your email address before, make sure to go, as an example, into your account. And as an example right here, okay, let me just go and click on settings and click on settings right here. And as you can see here, I'll find the account info. So here I'll have my email address, and as you can see, for me, it's already verified. I can go and click on this option if I want to change my email. And of course, if I want to change my email, I'll have to verify it. So for you, if you haven't added your email address before, here you'll find to enter your email address option. Just go and click on that and you'll have to enter your email address. Once you do so, they'll send you a link or a code. Normally Roblox sends you a link, so you can just go to your email provider. Maybe it's Gmail, like for me, and you can go and look, an example, for the Roblox mail, and you'll find the link. So this is for two-factor authentication. So let me just go and look where is the option. So here's the email verification. As you can see, I'll find the verify email or verify email option. Just go and click on it, and you should come back, refresh the page, and you should find your email verified like me. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.